Yeah. Ooh, quick little sneak peek, and then now the door panel. You feel what I'm saying? We moving along, bro. Slowly but surely, I'm getting everything I really need. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, open this back door. It's literally the exact same door panel. Like I said, the only thing I'm missing is this little piece right here, the handle, and then this bottom piece for the doorknob and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, everything is there. You know, from the weather stripping on there, which looks pretty much fine. Probably not gonna replace it. To the ring for the door lock. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, like I said, I'm gonna unbox it in a second. Y'all just stay tuned, but so I settle for that. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, trim is still on here. It's dirty. Like I said, we're gonna clean it next video. And the weather stripping actually looks fine. It ain't cracked up or nothing. You feel me? Come with the ring, like I said, for the lock. And like I said, it's for the mirror. But I don't have the thing for it to come out. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now I think it might have been the last video I posted. I'm not sure. I think it was the last video I posted, but we had talked about my door panel, and I told you I had finally found one, bro, after months. And after really not even months, I've had this car I think 2 years now. I know for sure a year for doing the work on YouTube, recording these videos for y'all. And it was in the shop before I started doing car content for about 5 months, getting everything tuned right. You feel me? Getting the motor running right. So yeah, I say about 2 years I've been searching for the matching door panel for this car, or if not at least a matching door panel. Now y'all, we talked about me just dyeing this one blue so it'd be somewhat the same, and trying to get it wrapped and stuff with the half vinyl on the top, or the little quarter vinyl on the top, I should say. But it would have been more expensive than trying to just find one. So regardless, I was trying to get something done, you know. And I had finally found one. I told y'all, I showed y'all the pictures and everything. I showed y'all my order number and everything, bro. I had finally got one. And like I said, I was searching months, like literally every night before I would lay down and go to bed. I would check eBay. I would just check Google in general, trying to see if either someone was selling one, or I could just find one. You know what I'm saying? So I basically was just trying to find this stock door panel. You feel what I'm saying? I was trying to find this exact one, so I have all matching door panels in this car, because that was really one of the last things I was missing for this interior. So I was trying to find one, and like I said, I finally found one, bro. After nightless times of trying to find one. You feel me? Every night, like I said, I tried to find one, and I finally did. So y'all read by the title, y'all see the thumbnail. The package has finally came in the mail, and if y'all look back, there it go. Oh man, I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm finally gonna have all matching door panels in this car. Yeah, I'm gonna be missing, you feel me, this piece, but it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm not too stressed about it. And I'm not gonna have this bottom piece as well. Mine is, y'all see, is burgundy. I don't have one, so I'm gonna have to keep looking for that. But like I said, man, I'm not worried about it at all right now. I'm just glad I finally got the matching door panel. So one last thing done for the bike Chevy's interior. And like I told y'all, the car's gonna get dropped off to get motor swapped within the next 2 days. 2 days, so y'all stay tuned for that. It'll probably be like another week or 2 weeks before y'all see that video. Y'all actually see the video, because I'm recording like 4, maybe 5 videos just today. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all excited just like I am. This video, all we're gonna be doing is unboxing. That box, I already unboxed it to make sure I got the right door panel, right side, and everything sent in. That way it would have been before the, you feel me, the return mark. Even though it said no returns, if I would have talked to them and told them that I was sent the wrong one, then everything would have got working out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. We're finna get out, we're gonna unbox that, and then the next video I'm gonna probably clean it, then we're gonna install it. So you feel what I'm saying, man? Like I said, man, I'm so excited. I'm so happy I finally found this door panel. I finally got it in the mail. Everything is here. Everything is pretty much done now, from my dash to the rear deck. Yeah. Ooh, quick little sneak peek, and then now the door panel. You feel what I'm saying? We moving along, bro. Slowly but surely, I'm getting everything I really need. You know what I'm saying? Then next weekend, I'm gonna try and do some stuff with my daily, because I just ordered something that's so sick, bro. I'm so happy I got it. But other than that, man, Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And I will catch y'all once I get outside the car. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, outside of the car now, and I've already seen it, so I know what it looks like. It's perfectly matching. It's like I said, the exact one that I need for this car. You feel me? It's, go ahead, open this back door. It's literally the exact same door panel. Like I said, the only thing I'm missing is this little piece right here, the handle, and then this bottom piece for the doorknob and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, everything is there, you know, from the weather stripping on there, which looks pretty much fine. Probably not gonna replace it, to the ring for the door lock, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, like I said, I'm gonna unbox it in a second. Y'all just stay tuned. But this is the one that I have in here now. Y'all can see it's clearly not matching it, because for one, it's a burgundy red color, you know, so need to get that up out of there. But let's go ahead and unbox real quick. I'm sorry if it's shaking really fast, but I need to get this done so I can sit y'all up just like that. And then we pour this on out. Look at that. Look at that sneak peek already. And yeah, the back of it is pretty damaged, but you can, we'll figure all that out when the time comes. So sit that there, and here we go. Like I said, man, it's not perfect, it's not the best, but it's definitely the only one I found. And like I said, I was checking Facebook Marketplace and everywhere, and nobody was parting out box Chevys to where I can get just this door panel. That was a bird. But yeah, it comes with the window mover thing, but I don't have the window mover. Y'all know that one that I ordered, not window, I keep saying window, mirror. This driver mirror, which y'all know my car only has one mirror on it, but this one you got to move it with your hand. It ain't come with the string for you to be able to move it inside the car. My old one had it, but it was missing the glass, and I couldn't replace the glass because it was missing the whole part to hold the glass on, so I had to just get that one. So I settled for that, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, trim is still on here. It's dirty. Like I said, we're gonna clean it next video. And the weather strip actually looks fine. It ain't cracked up or nothing, you feel me? Come with the ring, like I said, for the lock, and like I said, it's for the mirror, but I don't have the thing for it to come out. But yeah, this is the door panel, and not gonna lie to y'all, I paid $150 for it after shipping. Shipping was $40, and this part itself was $100. So $150, you feel me, after tax and shipping. And let me try and flip it over without making it worse. But if y'all look and see, y'all see how damaged the cardboard is. Like it's been wet or something, you know? It's like it's been wet. So let me try to turn this over without damaging it more than it's already damaged. And yeah, I could probably fix this myself, you know, but like I said, I'm not too stressed about it. I just want to get this on the car, you feel me? So we might try to fix it today. If not, I'm gonna wait and try to fix it. But yeah, all I gotta do is re-glue this down so that it'll stay down, which I already have glue here. And it is cracked right here, but it's still in decent shape, you feel me, to where I don't have to change it right now. I can always change it later on. So like I said, we gotta glue this material back down, but I also need to get some cardboard to put back here for whatever this material is. But like I said, the back is pretty damaged, which is gonna happen when you get used parts. Like I said, I couldn't find none. They don't make them anymore, none of that stuff, so I had to settle for what I could find, you know? So like I said, I'm not too stressed about this back part. I'm not worried about it. My main thing was making sure that I could actually just find one that was matching, and I have the matching door panel now. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm so happy. I've been looking for this for so long. One second, I'll let the car go. Oh, that's a truck. It kind of sounds like an exhaust leak. But yeah, like I said, man, my main focus was just trying to find this actual door panel, the exact one that I needed, and I finally found one, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I don't care how it looks, how bad it looks to y'all, and you feel me? My main thing was just getting one that matched. Like I said, I could have got that one wrapped, but it would have cost more to get that one wrapped than just to get this one and then fix on this one. You know what I'm saying? And plus, it got a vintage look to it because it's old, you know what I'm saying? So it'll match perfectly inside my car. And like I told y'all before, man, and I think it was, like I said, I think it was the last video, but when I bought this car, it didn't have no driver door panel. All the rest of the door panels was on, but it didn't have a driver door panel. This car did not have a key, didn't have an ignition key. You feel me? It didn't have no door key or no ignition key or no trunk key. Didn't even have a trunk lock on it, to be for real with you. I had to go to the AutoZone and get all of it. I had to go get a trunk lock, had to get an ignition key and ignition switch so I can have both of them, and I had to get door lock keys. You know what I'm saying? This car didn't have none of that when I bought this car, because the previous owner had got this car from an auction, and it looked like people was trying to break into it, because if y'all remember, I told y'all how my trunk, look at that. So I didn't do this when I got the car. It was already like that, and if y'all can see, it's like pushed down and then scratched up. So somebody was trying to break into this car, like I said. If not break into it, they was trying to just get into it after the previous owner I got this car from bought it, you feel me, from the auction. So like I said, it didn't come with no keys at all, no door keys, no trunk key, no ignition key. So yeah, I understand why the door panel was missing, but I wish it wasn't, you know, because that would have saved me one less headache. But at least I finally found one. Like I said, it took me a little minute to actually find this, but I'm glad I actually got this door panel now. Now I need to take a quick picture of it for the thumbnail. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below and let me know what y'all think about the door panel. Like I said, I'm glad for one, I'm glad it's the right one, the driver door panel, and y'all can tell that because of the mirror holder. Now I think my passenger door is locked, and my key is somewhere. I ain't feel like just unlock and just do it from hand. Oh, my key is up there. So let's go on to the passenger side. Like I said, y'all could tell it's obviously the driver's side, but passenger side don't have a mirror, which is something I really like. But yeah, see, no hole to adjust, no mirror, because no mirror come on this door. But now we have a matching door panel. Now I kind of want to find another one for this one, because the previous owner also had a hole cut here, so that's why I had to just stick that there just for now. But I could actually just run a wire and hook this up, you feel me? But yeah, I really don't want no holes in these door panels. But yeah, like I said, if I take this off, y'all will see a huge hole just sitting in the door panel. So I definitely want to try to find another one of this one as well. If not, then you feel me, we're just gonna rock out. We're just gonna rock out with this one like it is, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not stressed about it, you feel me? But I'm just glad we finally have this one. So now, like I said, next video I'm gonna try and clean it up best as I can. You probably just use some soap and water and then let it air dry, and a brush, you feel me? And then we're gonna wipe all this dust there. Look at all that, just filthy. And I'm most likely not gonna change the weather stripping today. I'm gonna probably wait a little bit and do the weather stripping. But yeah, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section. This is it in one frame. Like I said, I know the back is messed up, which is why this is wrinkly and all this stuff, which I'm not, like I said, I'm not stressed about. I'm just happy I actually got the door card now. So y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it in the comments, and I will catch y'all for the outro in 1 second. And then I gotta go get some cleaning material so we can clean this in the next video. So y'all stay tuned, I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all excited to see that door panel in this car, to where now we will have all matching door panels, you feel me? Nothing different. So we're gonna get this one out and put this back up. I gotta take it back to my dad's shop so he can put it back on that other door that he pulled when we went to a junkyard, you feel me? And like I said, I didn't check junkyards, and I didn't check Facebook Marketplace, and like I said, I check Google every day, and nobody would get a blue box Chevy in, well, one with this type of interior, you know what I'm saying? So all the ones they would get in be tan, like a tan interior or burgundy interior, you feel me? None of them had the door panels that I needed, you feel me? So, and also I left my phone number, so if they did, then they would give me a call. So yeah, I guess I wasn't lucky until last week when I ordered that door panel and it came in, and it took a week to come in, but I'm not stressing about how long it came. I was just so happy I finally got it, and it didn't come in any more damaged than what it was. Like I said, I seen the pictures and I seen the back of it already like that, so I know it was already gonna be pretty bad on the back anyway. So maybe I could take take the one off of here and put it on there. Maybe, I don't know, but like I said, we'll figure all that out once we get this one off. And I gotta get this door panel off anyways because my door lock, the little shim thing for it to hold it on there, it fell off and somewhere in the door, so I need to get this panel off. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all liked the door panel. I'm gonna clean it up today. We're gonna install it today, and yeah, then my interior would be pretty much complete. I still gotta get this pillar because y'all know it broke. Well, it was already broken when I was taking my headliner down, so I need to get that pillar. And we also need to redo my center console because it's a little too bulky and I want to cut it down just a little bit. So we're gonna redo the whole thing, get some different wood and stuff. So yeah, pretty much though, other than that stuff, my interior is done. Y'all know this door panel was the last thing I was worried about getting. I was either gonna get it wrapped and then like dye it and stuff, or we had to find one, and luckily I found one. You know, got my dash done, my steering wheel done, my gear shift done, radio is set in there pretty good, headliner done. We got the TV up here, even though the TV don't work, I just got it up there just for the lights, you know what I'm saying? So my lights are cut on, and because I don't have no little ring for the light, even though I probably could order one, I just thought the TV would look better. And then the rear deck is done. Man, we done a lot. Add the third brake light right there up top. I'm happy, man, and I'm ready to get that door panel installed in this car. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.